Did I just catch you having fun?
I'm looking for a girl with no drama. A fine girl, take home to mama. Taking a burger from Uganda. Maybe one straight from Botswana. I need a small girl, no wahala. With her body hot just like Sahara. Before I let you go, tell me where you're from. I just wanna know where you're from.
Grand Rising Beauty Gang. It is Vlogtober Day One, and we're back with another video. So right now I'm getting ready to go to LA. I have a flight to LA that I have to catch today. I have to be at the airport at 2 o'clock. It is currently 12 something, and I haven't packed anything, and I actually still have some of the clothes that I'm wearing in LA in the washing machine right now. So your girl is a little bit behind schedule today, but it's okay. It's okay. I actually perform pretty well under pressure. Yeah. Okay guys, so I am doing Vlogtober 2021. I'm sorry y'all, I'm really trying to convince myself that I'm going to push through Vlogtober 2021. Like, uploading vlogs every day for the entire month of October is just, that's a lot. That's a lot to commit to. Your girl is full-time, okay? We're gonna try, okay? At the end of this series, you guys, if I do push through, when I do push through, please give me my flowers. Because you guys remember last year when your girl said she was doing Vlogtober and she was so excited to do Vlogtober, and then she got here and she uploaded her Vlogtober Day 1, Vlogtober Day 2, Vlogtober Day 3, Vlogtober Day 4 was a little late, but it came, and then nothing. Your girl got through 4 days of Vlogtober and gave up. I had too much going on. That was not, I was like, But this year, I'm gonna try to be a little bit more organized. I'm gonna try to be a little bit more prepared, and I'm gonna try to go ahead and deliver to you guys what I hoped to deliver to you guys last year. So bear with me, y'all. That means I need y'all to be subscribing to this channel. I need y'all to be in the comment section below encouraging me to keep uploading. I need y'all to give this video a thumbs up because you already here, so why not? And then I also need for you guys to hit that notification bell right next to that subscribe button so that you guys can be notified every time your girl uploads a post, okay? Once you've done so, comment down below Noto Gang with 3 G's, okay? I want y'all all to be a part of Noto Gang. That's all I want to see down in the comment section, okay? Because y'all be dry on the Noto Gang down there in the comment section. I only get like 1 or 2 people saying Noto Gang with 3 G's. I need all y'all that's watching to comment down below Noto Gang with 3 G's. Pretty please, with a cherry on top. But yeah, I wanted to sit down and do this quick little intro for you guys to let you guys know that I am going to push through with Vlogtober this year. Yeah. I'm going to show y'all better than I can tell y'all this year, because I'm doing Vlogtober this year and I'm going to try my best to push through. I'm going to try my best to push through. Okay guys, so yeah, that's what we're about to do. I'm about to go ahead and start packing. This is a pack with me video, because why not? This is what I'm about to do. And yeah, let's go. All right y'all, so my room is a mess right now. I can't really show y'all that side of the room because we got like hella stuff over there right now, so we're just gonna show you this side of the room. And yeah, so I gotta figure out a way to place this camera so that you guys can see only this side of the room. Okay, let's see where I'm gonna put this camera at, because y'all, it's a mess in here right now. Oof.
Baby, you don't know what you do to me. Between me and you, I feel like chemistry. I won't let like no one. Come and take your place, 'cause the love you give, it can't be replaced. So no one else will do like you do. That's why I'm mine. So fill my life with you. I wanna please you in any way I can. I wanna share my world. Don't you understand? Love is a one in a million.
Okay guys, so right now I have some of my clothes like just a little bit organized. This is, so I have like my pants here, right here, and then I have my shirts, and then my dress. I thought I had more, so I don't know. And then I have like my tops here that I'm going to wear, and then like these are the clothes that I'm going to wear outside of wearing like business casual or like formal, informal wear. These are like my like outside of work clothes. Oh, my bras. Oh Lord, I'm gonna have to find a way to blur that out. But yeah, these are like my clothes that I'm gonna wear outside of work that are not formal. So yeah, so like now I just have to like piece together outfits and find like shoes and then accessories to go with them. And this is how I like to like pack, because I'm not used to packing in a carry-on only, but since I'm traveling with other people and they're all bringing carry-ons, I can't like be the only one that check a luggage and like make everybody wait. So I mean I can, but like I'm not gonna do that. Why would I do that, right? Okay, so so yeah, that's how I like to pack. And yeah, now the hardest part is just piecing together outfits, because I like to try on my stuff to see how it's gonna look. But this time I'm actually not gonna try on as many outfits. Like I'm just gonna try to like eyeball it and see how it goes, because like I said, I'm not really working with a lot of time here. So yeah, and then like I said, a lot of my clothes are also in the washing machine right now, which I need to go check on. Okay guys, so now I'm back in my room. I don't even know what time it is right now, and I know that like it was 12 o'clock when I started recording, so I need to hurry up and start piecing together some outfits. So yeah, here's my luggage. I'm just gonna go ahead and start packing this up now. So
not that I don't want you here. It's something about the way you stare into my eyes. I know that I don't make things clear. I fall for you every time I try to resist. We can get away. Come chase beach views and every day. All I wanna hear is an episode how we play. Sit right next to you.
okay guys, so I've finished packing like this suitcase, and I am gonna bring another bag like to carry on, and then a little purse. So let me show you what I have. So this side is like my business casual side, and then this side is like my leisure side. So like I have like these are like my business bras, but like I have like my clothes under here. And what I like about this part is that it actually like I can fold this like up and zip it up, and then I can put like my like curling irons and gels and toothbrush and stuff like that, like all my toiletries and stuff in this side of the luggage. So we're all good to go. So now I'm gonna work on my toiletries, and I'll show you guys how I pack that. Y'all, I am officially late to the airport, but I just wanted to show you guys like how I pack my toiletries and stuff. So like this is what I packed my makeup in. As you can tell, it got all my like makeup stains over it, and then I just put that in here. like that. And then this is like my little toiletry stuff that I put in here. So like my toothpaste, my razors, that's hand sanitizer right there, pads, all my like creams and lotions and stuff like that. And I'm gonna put that in here. I'm actually gonna take the hand sanitizer out. 1 second. Okay, yeah, so I actually took the hand sanitizer out because I actually need that on me. And then this is my other toiletry bag. So all my like face stuff, my makeup remover wipes, my mask, my soaps and stuff are in these little things right here, feminine wash and all that good stuff, rubber bands, edge control, all that stuff is what I put in here. And so I'm gonna put this in my other bag really quickly. And then when I pack my jewelry, I pack my jewelry in a little bag like this, and I just put like all my jewelry in there. So you guys can see that. I haven't finished yet. And then since I'm taking a carry-on, I have like my little Vaseline, and then this is the lotion that I'll be using on the trip, my little jerkin. So yeah. Alright guys, so that concludes this video packing with me. I'm now on my way to the airport. So yeah, I really hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please be sure to hit that subscribe button, like this video, and hit that notification bell so that you don't miss out on my next post. And until next time guys, bye.